In this lesson, we are going to learn what is meant by allopatric speciation. We have learned that speciation is an evolutionary process that results in the formation of a new species from a pre-existing species. And there are two basic mechanisms through which speciation can occur, either by allopatric speciation or by sympatric speciation. Now we are going to focus on allopatric speciation. Allopatric speciation occurs as a result of geographical isolation, and it is the most common type of speciation. A species population splits into one or more groups, which then become separated from each other by geographical barriers. The barrier could be natural, like the body of water or a mountain. It can also be man-made, like the motorway. This separation creates two populations of the same species who are isolated from each other, and as a result, no genetic exchange can occur between them. Now, if there is a sufficient selection pressure or genetic drift acting to change the gene pools within both populations, then eventually these populations will diverge and form separate species. In other words, the changes in the alleles or the genes of each population will affect the phenotypes present in both populations, and over time the two populations may begin to differ physiologically and morphologically or structurally. And this is what is meant by allopatric speciation.